In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can automate all of your Instagram posts with Jarvee. What's happening, guys? The Cash Creator is back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can automate all of your Instagram content using Jarvee. Doesn't matter whether you're sleeping, eating, or playing video games, even if you're in another country. I'm going to show you how you can use Jarvee to schedule and automate all of your Instagram content without you even being there. Alright guys, so let's get right into the video. First things first, as you can see over here, here are all of my Instagram accounts and a Twitter account. I'm going to be using this account over here in the cars niche, and I'm going to be using it to show you guys how you can automate your content. Okay, I've already saved some cars pictures of some cool cars and different supercars, and I'm going to show you how I can post those pictures to my Instagram account that's in the cars niche. Alright, I'm going to use that account there as an example. Alright, so first things first, what you need to do is click on destination lists. And a destination list is basically the end place where your content is going to go. So I have all these accounts in different niches: pets niche, basketball niche, makeup niche, and a cars niche, all these different accounts. So I need a different destination list for each different Instagram account, because for example, I don't want basketball posts going to my cars page, and I don't want fitness posts going to my makeup page, for example. So you need different destination lists for each different account. As you can see here, I have loads of different destination lists for each separate Instagram account. Alright, so what you want to do is, I'm going to be using my example in the cars niche to show you guys. What you want to do is create a new destination list over here. You click on add destination list and then you label it. I'm going to be labeling it cars and then YouTube tutorial. Alright, so once you've done that, you want to click on the account that you want linked to this destination list. So the content is going to be about cars, so I'm not going to link my pets page or my tattoos page. I'm going to be linking this cars page over here. Once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to click on wall/profile, and that is going to basically post all of the content to the wall of your Instagram page. Alright, so now that that is complete, what you want to do next, guys, is simply click on destination list again, and as you can see, it has been created over here, cars YouTube tutorial, and there is one profile link to it and one wall/profile that it's going to be posting to. It's that simple. So now I have the destination list with the account link to it. What I need to do next is find the content and then schedule it. Alright, so I've already saved the content to my desktop, and I'm going to show you guys how I can post that to that destination list. So what you want to do next is you want to click on campaign and then add a new campaign. You can choose whichever campaign you want, but I'm going to choose scheduled campaign because I'm showing you how to automate and schedule it. Alright guys, and then once that's done, you just label your campaign, and again I'm going to label it as cars and then YouTube tutorial. Alright, what you want to do next is you want to simply look at the settings. Okay, so you click over here and go on advanced settings. Alright, and it's already on the Instagram. There's different settings for different social media, and then you can look at these settings and then choose what you want to do. But the most important thing I'd say is this one. If you have multiple images, you want to post them as an album, and the rest aren't as important. Alright, if you want to delete the post after a certain amount of time, you can do that if you want. You can also post stuff to your story as well as your Instagram account. Okay, so there's a lot of different settings that you can do. Alright, next thing that you want to do is, once you've checked the advanced settings, is click over here. Here is where the magic happens, what to publish. Alright guys, so what you want to do next is you want to click on your campaign. It's this one over here, cars YouTube tutorial. Alright, once you've clicked on your campaign, the next thing that you're going to do is simply attach the picture. So you click on this photo button over here, okay, or if it's a video, you click on that. I've got photos, so they're already saved on my computer. So what you do next is you click on upload from computer. Alright, so what you're going to do next is you're going to find the content. Okay, I'm finding it here in YouTube, and then Jarvee tutorial, how to automate. Alright, so here is my first picture. It's a Lamborghini. Okay, and then you click on add photos. It's that simple. Okay, so once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to add a timer. Alright, so here it is, add a timer, and then you can choose when you want it to be scheduled. Okay, so this is today's date, 24th of June. Alright, I'm going to schedule it today at around 9:35. Alright, it's that simple. There you are. And then you click on add to post list. Alright, so again, I'm going to go through the steps. You click on photos, you find the photo that you want to post, and it's going to be that nice Lamborghini. Okay, and then add a timer, so you choose the time that you want it to be posted. Okay, and then you click on add to post list after that. Alright, so once that's been added to the post list, you can click over here onto the post list, and you can see, if you click on calendar view, it shows you here the 24th of June is going to be posted, and you can double click to see details. Okay, and here are the details. There you are, it's going to be posted at that time. Alright, and then you can even add a caption, for example, and I'm going to choose lovely red Lamborghini, and then yeah, you want to add hashtags, you can add those as well, like if you love this, and then that will make people like it. Alright, so that's how to schedule a post. Alright, so that post is scheduled. It's that simple. Then you can add more content. Okay, so I'm going to add another post. You go back to what to publish, go back to photos, upload from computer, and then you can add your next one, next picture. Okay, so I've added that. It's a nice lovely Bugatti. Alright, you can add a message, like, so this is the caption: if you wish you had a Bugatti. Okay, there you are. You click on add timer, just like we did last time, and I'm going to schedule this for tomorrow, June 25th at, let's say, 7:29 p.m. Alright, okay, and then once you've done that, once you've set a time, all you have to do is you add to post list. There you are, it's gone to the post list, and if you go on calendar view, as you can see, it's scheduled for tomorrow. Okay, so next you're going to do exactly the same thing again. You're going to go into photos, upload from computer, click on this nice Audi over here, and then you're going to say a caption: who wants a German whip? Alright, so you choose a date, a timer. You're going to choose June 26th, which is the day after tomorrow, and then you're going to choose a time. Okay, well, let's change it to whatever. It doesn't matter, we can leave that the same. Alright, and then you're going to go on to add to post list. Alright, and as you can see, it's appeared here. You're going to go back into calendar view, and it's there. Alright, and then you go back onto what to publish, put your next picture in, upload from computer, and it's this nice Batmobile. Add to photos that you can see, and lovely Batmobile from Batman, and you can make a caption: Batman versus Superman, who wins? Alright, and then you can add that to post, add timer to choose a date, let's say 27th of June. Alright, and then you add to post list. Very simple, same process that we've already done, and there you go, it's appeared here, June 27th. I'm going to go back into calendar view, and as you can see, I've got 4 full days of automation. So you can do this as many times as you want. You can automate as many posts as you want. it doesn't matter. You know, you could post for the whole month, for example, if you're going on holiday or whatever. It doesn't matter. You can post as many different days as you want. Alright, so that is basically the end of the video. That's exactly how you automate stuff. Alright, however, I do have one more thing to tell you. Once you've automated it, you do have to remember to go back onto campaigns and start the campaign, okay? Otherwise it doesn't post. Right now it's stopped, so you have to click on the start button to start scheduling the content. Alright guys, yeah, so that's basically how to do it. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and a subscription. Peace out guys.